Welcome back to Tech Surfers. So in this video I will show you best iCloud backup recovery software. So this software can recover iCloud backup files on your computer without data quality loss. So this really an amazing video would be. Please follow the step-by-step tutorial. So firstly you have to copy the first link and paste the link. You will come into this interface. So the software name is Master iCloud Backup Recovery. So it supports Windows 7, 8, 10 and 11. It is absolutely free of cost. So to get this you have to fill up this form and you have to click on submit. So I am filling up this form, your name, your email address and captcha code. So click on submit. Click on Facebook. Click. And this is the license key they have provided to get premium access. So now we have to install the software link, second link, and go to one of your browser and paste the link here. So as you can see this, it is downloading. It will take a little bit time to download. You will download the software and you have to click on this software. Click on yes. Now you have to install it. So for installing you have to click on next. I agree. Install. So software installed successfully. Now you have to click on next and then finish. So here is showing that thank you for installing Master iCloud Backup Recovery. So go to the software. Here you can see this software is now trial version. So to use its premium features you have to register it. So for register you have to click on this register key and there you can see this is a trial version. So if you registration it you will get the full version. So for registration click on register and here you have to provide the email address and here you have to provide the license code. So I am providing both. I am providing the license code. We have get from giveaway page and now we have to paste the license code and click on register. So as you can see this, you have registered successfully. So thank you for registering. Click on OK, and if you again go to this iCloud and here is saying this, showing that 1 year subscription July 22 2026 to July 22 2027. So remain 365 days. If you want to know how to use this software, let me know in the comment section. I will put the full video link. So thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and see you in the next video.